Kitty, and this is your first Diamond Kitty. First, we're going to start meowing for food. Well, I don't want to eat food really. I just want to really sleep. So, if you want more of me, you can hit that like button and subscribe to my best friend Diamond Time Lord, or my flippin' pet. But you don't need to. My real name is Galilee, but people call me Diamond Kitty. So I'm gonna say see ya, cause this is just my first video.